Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to give you guys a quick update on the CVS app. So it looks like everything is back to normal. So I did go in store today to do a couple of deals on my card, and I noticed that the Redbox coupon center is also printing out normal. So it doesn't have that grace period that we have to wait about 10 to 15 minutes to scan our card again. So I scanned away and everything came out of the Redbox coupon center. I also have an update for you guys for the L'Oreal deal, but make sure you check your apps to see if everything is okay in your apps. It was just getting a little confusing, honestly, in my opinion. Like, everything on the card was a little bit confusing, and I know some of you guys were getting confused as well because you use certain CRTs and use certain extra bucks, and it was just still showing up on there as printed. So I'm just glad that the app is back to normal and we can coupon away the way we do. Also, another app update. A lot of you guys did express to me that your store got some new machines. So at my store, I asked the manager, and she said that they will be receiving new machines as well, but it's on the high value stores first. So the high traffic stores, they will be getting their machines first, and then the ones that don't get so much traffic, they'll receive those at that store. So all the old machines will go away, and we will get some new machines at CVS. I'm super excited to see how the machine looks. Let me know in the comments below how the machine works if you encountered a new machine at your CVS. But I don't know about you guys. I'm super excited about this change. So I'm glad that the app is back to normal, and I'm glad that we are receiving some new machines. So another update I wanted to do is on the L'Oreal deal as well as the Maybelline deal, that $10 off of a $30 purchase. So in that instant coupon for spend 30, get $10 off, it reads that you have to pick up L'Oreal and Maybelline. So in my second card, I made sure I picked up L'Oreal and Maybelline because across the board, everybody's just having issues with this $10 off a 30 instant coupon. So as we see in the ad, it says turn to page 6. And there's a whole bunch of deals there as well, but it doesn't state anything like $10 off of a $30 purchase, like a continuation on that page. So it's just very misleading. So the manager did express to me that they had the option to override these coupons because they've been having difficulties with the coupons since yesterday. So I picked up the products that it says to pick up on there, and it still didn't work. So she tried every which way. So we tried a whole bunch of products from Maybelline, a whole bunch of products for L'Oreal, and it just was not working. So when I picked up the L'Oreal right there, and then the baby lips, it did actually work that she didn't have to scan her card. It did have an override, but once she pressed it, she didn't have to scan her card, which was weird. We don't know what went on at the store, but we did try every which way to do this deal. So for this deal, this is the scenario I did on my second card. Make sure you check out my Sunday video. Now, do the deal if your store is willing to override it. I know that an email was sent to the store stating to override these coupons because they're just not working with the deal. So it doesn't really tell us exactly what's included in it. I know if you check online, you could see what's included, and I know that the L'Oreal Elvive is included, as well as the L'Oreal facial care. So I know those are included, but the ad was so misleading that they are overriding the coupon. So for this scenario here, I picked up the L'Oreal Elvive. So again, these are 2 for $8. When you spend $15, you get a $5 extra buck. So basically, I picked up 4 of them for $16. I used 2 of the 4 off of 2 coupons. So I used one from our 119 and one that came out yesterday in our inserts. Now, the other items that I picked up was the Maybelline Baby Lips. These are buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. There's no coupons needed for it because there's no coupons available. So basically, the total for all products will be $30.37. You're going to use that $10 off and those 2 $4 off 2 coupons. So the total will work out to $12.37, but you're going to get back $10 in extra bucks. So you get back $5 for the L'Oreal Elvive for spending $15, and you get back $5 for buying 2 Maybelline products. And also, we are spending $30 in beauty with this deal alone, so we will get a $3 beauty buck that we will receive within 48 hours after the transaction is complete. So after that $3 in beauty bucks, it works out to free plus a 63-cent moneymaker. With the $10 we get back in extra bucks and the $3 in beauty bucks. Also, I wanted to let you guys know that there is an Ibotta rebate for the Axe body wash. So if you bought the Axe body wash yesterday, definitely submit that Ibotta. It's for 75 cents of each of them, and that makes it a super money maker. So if you did the Axe deal yesterday, and that was a Sunday only deal because the coupons did expire yesterday on the 9th, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta and get 75 cents back for each of them. So hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. Tomorrow's video will be based on CRTs that we always get every week, and we do nothing with them. So I did come up with a couple of deals for you guys, showing you what you can use those CRTs in, because sometimes you do need some product and you have some savings that you don't know about, because it's just overwhelming with so many CRTs that we do receive that we just go for the main ones that we use every single week. But they are CRTs that I receive every week and never use, so I'm going to put those CRTs to use. Also, to update you guys, I did not receive a 10 off of 50, but if you guys would like a scenario using the 10 off of 50, if you guys received it, definitely let me know in the comments below that you would like to see a video on the 10 off of 50 or a 6 off of 30 or whatever you got. So if you still want a scenario for that, definitely let me know and I'll do a video on that. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. If you guys are not signed up for Ibotta, definitely sign up for Ibotta because it is a really great rebate app to have. So basically, you can submit your receipt to CVS, to Walgreens, and a whole bunch of stores. And if you join my team, we can save together. So this is my referral code, and I also have information in the description box on how Ibotta works. So definitely download the app if you have a smartphone such as an Android or an iPhone. So this is a really good app to have. Definitely sign up if you haven't signed up already. Another great app to have is the Fetch Rewards. So basically, this is my referral code here for Fetch, and you get 2,000 points the first receipt you submit to Fetch, and I get 2,000 points for referring you. So Fetch is another one to have, and it's a really great app. So if you guys did some Tresemme during the week, like last week or this week, you can definitely submit those receipts to Fetch because I know they're giving back something. Now, on my Fetch, I don't have anything giving back, but you can get like up to 2,000 points for certain deals. Now, every receipt that you submit for Fetch, you get 25 points. And when you receive up to 3,000 points, you can definitely get some gift cards. So the gift cards that are available are Target, CVS, and a whole bunch of other ones. So once you hit 3,000 points, let's say you did the Tresemme deal yesterday, and there's a Tresemme offer there for like 2,000 points. And let's say you get the 2,000 points for just signing up for the first time. That's 4,000 points there, and you can definitely get a gift card using 3,000 points. So this is usually how I shop for CVS. I know last week and some of the deals this week. Last week I had $10, two $10 for Fetch that I got back because the week before that we had some really great offers on Fetch. And this week I shopped with $5. So yeah, guys, again, sign up for these apps because it's extra savings you guys can have. And it also helps you save when you're doing your couponing trips. Also, guys, when you first are shopping at CVS, trying to coupon at CVS, and you sign up for your extra care card, definitely sign up for the Beauty Club. So once you receive your extra care card at any location, make sure you download the CVS app and sign up for the Beauty Club. So Beauty Club is basically every $30 that you spend on beauty, you get a $3 beauty buck, and that's going to be before coupons. For instance, the deal that I just showed you right there, that's already $30 in beauty. So you will receive a $3 beauty buck within 48 hours after it is all complete. So the things that are included in beauty are going to be hair care, makeup, lotion, face care, and fragrance. So definitely sign up for the beauty club because again, every $30 that you spend on beauty, you're going to get a $3 beauty buck again within 48 hours. So after you complete the transaction, check 2 days in your app and that $3 beauty buck should be there and you are allowed to send it to your card or print it at the red box sensor. So this is the end of the video. I just wanted to give you guys all that information on extra savings when you guys are couponing.